I'm back again and emoji unboxing. So today I will try to. So I think this one should be not apps that I bought. Side I also have some unnecessary package from overseas. Basically just cheap mounting. Prepared if I decided to buy another overhead camera, which I haven't bought because the second hand was quite similar. It's very similar price as the new one, so well, it's actually still quite cheap, but it's more expensive than the one that I currently had, since this can only be attached into a desk, where this more expensive overhead camera actually so it's not using the clamp on the tabletop. So the rest of the package is the keycaps that I several times bought, but this time packaging has already changed, since the news that was included is no longer available for no reason, but I decided to still buy it since it's quite cheaper than basically I don't really as well. I prefer to be standard just to see the pure colorway of the keycaps. Besides the packaging, I haven't been bought the keycaps that have this kind of packaging as well, so there's basically it's actually quite small in terms of size, so they're trying to maximize only forward. So this one is called Dracula Castle, but since there's no novelty keycap, so basically it's just white, black and red.